What a beautiful, beautiful fish that I'm showing you here. This is a striped bass. I wish I could tell you guys that I fished this, but no. I actually got it at Whole Foods. I did ask the person selling it to me to please descale the fish for me. If you're gonna cook fish whole, it's gotta be descaled. That's really important. So what I like to do is cut some slits along the side, and they don't have to be very deep, but basically the purpose for them is I'm gonna go ahead and massage olive oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and put garlic inside the cavity, and of course the slits in and of themselves. And when you grill this fish and you have the garlic and the olive oil, it really helps to provide that flavor. So I'm cutting the garlic as such, not very finely chopped, just basically small slices, massaging the olive oil on the sides of the fish, and of course taking the garlic and placing the slices inside the slits that I cut for this bass. Of course, I like to put it inside as well to provide more flavor and make sure that each of the slits is very well covered with garlic. It's really going to help a lot when grilling this fish. What I like to do as well, provide more flavor, is I want to put cilantro inside the cavity. And of course, I cut some slices of lime that I'm also gonna put inside, so it provides a nice citrus flavor from the inside once it grills. It's gonna look really good. So this is the tool that I utilize to grill the fish, to protect it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the barbecue. These are julienne style peppers that I'm gonna cook. So I have red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, garlic, and I have yellow peppers that I'm gonna put on the grill. And the bell peppers I cut julienne style first. And what I'm going to do is take this parsnip, peel it, and also go ahead and saute it. It's gonna be a very, very nice accompaniment to the fish. So you see me here, I'm putting the parsnips on the pan with olive oil. I'm gonna brown both sides. That way they're caramelized a little bit. Parsnip goes very well. And here's the fish, guys. So it's on the grill. I'm gonna go ahead and grill both sides. And while that is happening, I'm also gonna put these yellow peppers on the grill. Now these yellow peppers are really spicy, so be careful. Of course, I'm putting lime juice on the bell peppers. I'm putting some soy sauce as well. And I'm gonna saute it Asian style. So these are the parsnips, how they should look after they're grilled. These are the yellow peppers. Again, be careful, they're really spicy. And one side is done. Here's the other side of the grill for the fish. And it's gonna turn out very, very good. All in all, this is what it should look like. So here is the fish, the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and put the peppers on the side. One thing that I'm gonna show in the next video is I made a sauce. It's a pasilla pesto that I made from scratch. I'm gonna show you how I do that on the next video. But it's a very nice accompaniment with this fish as well. So that's what you're seeing there. And not only was it fun to make, it was a lot of fun and very tasty to eat. So the final step, the parsnips that are gonna go very well together with the fish. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next episode.